humidifier comes off. You get this little cleaning thing inside of it. Easy clean. Comes up, easy clean with the filters. Turn it on. There's no lights. You can turn it off. Mist level, timer, humidity, and then the power. And then in the back, you have a little filter thing that you can put central boxes. Little tablets in there. I currently have Vicks in there just because of my kids. But, yeah, it's really easy to clean.
Hi, this is all my humidifier inside of it stays. Inside starts to melt with a lot of white inside of it, like it's melting. This don't worth my money. I need a full refund. This not supposed to happen. Where inside is practically melting.